Bro, oh my god, bro, oh my god, please keep pumping, bro. We need to hit like 30k minimum, bro. This is actually a terrible rug, but I don't care, bro. I think we can make it to 30k. Bro, come on. Bro, in less than 5 minutes, we're already up here, bro. Just keep pumping, Alright, we're basically at 20k, so what you guys want to do to remove liquidity, go back to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, then remove liquidity. Come on, bro, this website. Okay, good. Now, and then boom! Oh my god, we just made... I made over $238,000 last month, and it's sitting right here in my Phantom wallet. Solana Memecoins made it happen, and I'll show you how I did it one step at a time. Are you tired of losing all your money? Bro, I got the strategy for you. I used to trade these meme coins too. I lost every single dime I had, bro. I'm telling you guys. The reason being is that every single coin on this platform starts at 0 and ends at 0. What that means for you is that there's no way that you can predict where you should exit your position or not. This is why my strategy that is called creating meme coins has been so successful for me. We create meme coins, we wait for them to pump, and then we just remove the liquidity. As simple as that. Now, how are you guys going to make it? You guys are going to go over to coinlabs.fun. This website is, by the way, the best website on YouTube to do it. I'm not affiliated, and the way you guys are going to do it, put in the token name, token symbol, token image, and you can even copy trending coins. This is my favorite feature. The copy trending coins tab is the website finding thousands of coins and taking the ones that are truly proven to making money. And the thing that is good about this strategy is that it's fully repeatable, and you can do it as many times as you please until you have made a bag. And look at all these meme coins. Your coin could be one of them. Your coin could be this one, for example. All of these coins, it is all attainable. You just need a good narrative and a good token name. I'm gonna be dropping even more sauce, so keep watching. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me but enjoy the video. The reason you guys are going to be creating your coins on coinlabs.fun is, first of all, is the only website on YouTube that is completely legit, and your coin will be launched in seconds. Now, why is this? Now, when you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, token gets put straight to the liquidity of Radium. Now, what Radium liquidity pool is basically where all the biggest coins are put. Now, you will be getting way more attention, way more buys, way more eyeballs, so way more money. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coins on Pump.Fun is because it is too saturated. There are too many coins being created left and right. Your coin will be dumped into this ocean of bullshit. And another thing that is annoying with Pump.Fun, your coin will have to reach $90,000 in market cap for it to bond over to the Radium DEX. Complete waste of time. And my favorite way to create coins on coinlabs.fun and print hella money super fast is by going on the copy trending tokens tab. Now, what this tab does for you is that the website goes through thousands of shitty meme coins, finding the ones that are proven to making you money. These coins have all decent market caps, and these coins, as I said, are proven to print. So my strategy is I try to find a coin that I think has a good narrative. So for example, Save My Daughter, that was kind of sad, so maybe a lot of people will want to contribute to that. So you guys want to try to find a coin that has a last bought in under 15 seconds. This means that the coin is active and people are engaging with it, and it just looks good. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyan from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so now you guys made it this far into the video, we're going to do the live carpet. Now, we're going to create a coin on this one. I like it. A good market cap, a good last bot, everything is good. So we're going to proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then it will take us to a page where we can create the liquidity pool. So this is token address for your coin. Now, all we have to do in this part is add 90% of the market cap to the public and 10% for yourself, which by the way, you will be getting this money back, so don't worry. And for the amount of token B, it's basically liquidity in your coin. So we're gonna put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 is a good bet. So we're gonna put 0.3 for the sake of the video. Then we're gonna create on creating pool, and then our liquidity pool should be created. So let's confirm, and then there we have it. Our liquidity pool has been created. Now if we wait a little bit, we refresh, there is our coin. So how are you guys gonna see it? We're gonna click on view on Photon, and then it should take us. I just came back from a 20-minute walk, so shit. Here is our coin. So it already has hella buys. It looks to be stagnating a bit. I mean, I guess the coin did pretty well. So honestly, 26k is not that bad for a coin launch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove liquidity from this coin to get all of that sweet money. So all we would do is go back to the website. All you guys have to do to remove liquidity is click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. We will be removing 192 Solana, so let's go ahead and confirm that's about like $20,000. And then boom, there we go. The coin has successfully been rugged. Now look, our coin is at 0 obviously because we removed all the liquidity, and all you guys have to do is check your balance and the money should be there. It's as simple as that. $24,000 printed in 30 minutes. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.